Good man, thank you.
Put it on the side. No. Oh, you got them there, that's it, yeah. Just go there a little bit.
Now, would you be able to make one of them?
We'll have to try it, have to.
That's what you'll be doing on the 10th of June.
Now, Lily, the four there, if you need a truck. I think high enough. Then long ago you used to do the dry them, remember when they'd be wet, you stand them up like that. Like this, now.
To make them dry
Yeah. And then you do 5 rounds of cover, you know. And they go up like that. Like that, right? And then you cut, that'd be the wet ones down on the side, right?
Yeah.
And you get as many as you could. And the father always says, stand them straight, you know, that's it, stand them straight. That's not over here, no. Right. And then you, if that was good solid and dry, you go ahead up there as high as you could, let it dry, you know. High as you could, you go up maybe double that again, you know.
And then you'd have to go back up and
Turn them again, then put them up.
again to make sure they're really...
Take the dry ones down, then and put the
Yeah.
wet ones back up and then dry. That's what it used to be done.
Yeah. Well, my brother used to cut the top. Matty was his name.
That's right, you're right.
With Maisie's granddad. And he'd throw the tuff up to me with a sling, and I'd catch it, and 9 times out of 10, I'd let the bloody tuff fall. And he'd say, such butter fingers you have, Lily. And I'd let it fall back on top of him. Now he'd be down the hole.
Oh, he done the whole, yeah, he told up to you, yeah.
Feet.
Oh, is he? A good 6 feet.
Oh, good thing.
The height himself, you'd be down the
Then we put it on a little trail, what would they call it?
little truck. I forget the name of it now.
I'm sorry about that. And we put them on that nice and neat. And we had a little pony, her name was Dolly. And we used to get her to bring it out.
That's right.
Onto the spread ground.
Pony, that's
About a mile away.
Oh, good mile, be a mile away, yeah.
And you'd have to take them off the trolley,
Then stand.
lay them all down
Let them
flat, and make the footing out of it. Do you know?
Sean now was the biggest job, Sean now was the big
Yeah.
job, and they were wet, you know. And then you'd have dirty hands, you know the way dirty hands.
Oh, you come home with black faces. And we'd be there from 9 in the morning to 6 at
Easy.
night. Every day. The only day we had off was Sunday.
Yeah, you couldn't go to the back of
Sunday.
Wasn't
Yeah,
it?
you couldn't go to bed.